What's up, everybody? This is Murdic 3K, and we are at Wolverine. A lot going on today. Everything out here. We are in a controlled, safe environment. So we're gonna go ahead and put this, and here we go.
Yeah, this one's up there. You need one more, Nick? You need another? No, we're doing one down for it.
All right, here we go. You got it, matching down. All right.
Alright, so you guys keep this. It also could help
So I'm having a lot of feeding issues with the AR9. I have about 10 rounds that I've counted so far that I've had to clear jams out of. You got to look into that.
Put my hand back here. Way forward this way. Down a little bit. Just move it down a little bit. Up in here. There you go. Up and down. Up and fairly. All right.
That's good? All right.
Yeah.
Too cool. So now we are going to do the 300 Blackout. We're going to rock and roll with that one. Here we go. So here we are with the 300 Blackout. We're about to see what's going on with that. We'll see what we did. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. So on the top of the 300 Blackout, I'm just using that Fiachi I told you guys about. Not the reflex, just the single red dot in the can type looking thing. And then on top of the EPC 9 is that Hollow Sun. The Hollow Sun looks great. I still have some tuning in to do with my Fiachi, but where I compensate for, it hits in a fairly decent grouping here. Let's take a look at it. So right around this area when I'm aiming here, so I just need to come up a little bit and maybe to the left a little bit. Not bad at all. I'm happy with it. So here we go. We're gonna go do some more. We only went with 27 rounds in this clip, so we're gonna see what happens here.
Damn, my bad. No, you can hang y'all. Y'all have it back there? Yeah. That was me, my bad. I saw him back there sometimes.
There we go.
This is ready for the whole street.
That was a lot better. I think that's the thing. It's the amount of rounds that it causes it. I think that mag feed, trying to feed that, the pressure with it feeding the 31 in, jams it up. Starting with, but it still doesn't explain why we were having so many jams. The only thing I can think was the magazines were just had a lot of force. Let's keep on shooting. And that last round, hold open, is working just as it should. Good stuff. So not too bad on the bottles. I'll show you what I did here. I'll pull it out so you can see it. So not bad. This is what we just did here on those bottles right there. So off on this bottle, off on that bottle. Let's go for these chickens and the stars next. Here we go. So we're having those misfeed issues, but I think this is the mag that I've used less. Chicken next. Let's see what's on. Let's bring them in. Let's see what they're looking like. The little chicken. I was off on the stars altogether. I was a little low on the stars. So there's the star there, star miss there, star miss there. So chickens, I hit the little thingamajiggy right on there. Chickens a little better.
What would let me know. I can hold it for you.
Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. So here's the deal with the EPC 9. It does not do well with a full 31 round clip. I put 27, that seems to be the lucky number. Still going to have a few hang-ups until you break your mags. That sums it up. So for shooting, thank you guys for hanging out with me. Great facility, highlight here in Nashville. Watching as always, watching, subscribe, and live the dream.